Hello and welcome back to Learn Java on Codecademy. We're in the Object-Oriented Java section. This is using methods, part 1. Great. Now the bark method is available to use on the spike object. We can do this by calling the method on spike. Here's an example of calling a method on an object using the car class. Here's our car class. We're already familiar with it. There's the constructor part, which we pass in a year and it will assign it to model year. Then we have our start engine method, which when we use it will print vroom. Down here we create an instance of our car or an object called myFastCar. We give it 2007, which will assign it to that model year. We then down here do myFastCar.startEngine. In the example above, we call the startEngine method on the myFastCar object. Again, this occurs inside of the main method. Running the program results in printing vroom to the console. Instructions inside the main method of the dog class call the bark method on the spike object. So we go here, we go down. Similarly to what they did there, we're going to want to right under of our spike object creation, we're going to do spike.bark. So when we click run, this will first create our spike object, and then it will call the bark method on the spike object, which should print out woof. Let us run this. And we did get woof to be printed, and we did pass. The important thing to take from this lesson is how we were able to call this bark method, which is inside our dog class, on the newly created spike object, because spike is a dog class. So we call that method on the dog class, which would run this code here, which is why we got woof to be printed out to the console. Lots of good stuff, but that is it for this lesson. That was using methods on Codecademy's Learn Java. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you guys on the next video.